On behalf of the Araneta management, we would like to present this plaque of recognition to Bini for being the first Filipino girl group to stage 3 outstanding sold-out center stage shows.
Huwag nang